Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. In the presentation, I will explain about the scientific work that I read entitled Equilibrium Analysis of Supply and Demand System in Indonesian Market. Okay. First, introduce myself. My name is Dewi Nopianti Putri. I am from MN22E Management Study Program. uh, Within scientific paper, there are six important points, namely abstract, introduction, methods, result, discussion, and conclusion. Okay, first, abstract. Abstract, this study aims to analyze the supply and demand equilibrium system in the Indonesia market and evaluate the impact of short-term and long-term price position using the cobweb equilibrium model. Okay, keyword market, demand, supply, and money. Okay, next, to introduction. In the introduction to analysis the supply and demand equilibrium, there are three important things, namely one, market mechanism. The market mechanism itself is an interaction that occurs between demand on the customer side and supply on the producer side. Prices are created as a combination of the strength of each of their components. Two, dynamic models. Dynamic model are one of the analysis tools that can be used to access the impact of short-term and long-term policy direction. Three, difference based on conventional and Islamic economies. The main difference between supply and demand in Islamic usually live in the very elements that influence supply and demand. In conventional economies, the focus is on price. If the price high, demand will decrease and price versa. Okay. Next, three methods. The method used in quantitative descriptive method, which is research that emphasizes the amount of data collected, including literature studies or library research. Okay, library research, I use books, journals, scientific articles, and literature review. Okay, next. Result. This is point result, one market, two demand, three supply, and last the relationship between the three. Okay, market. A market is a place where seller and buyer meet to conduct buying and selling transaction of product of service. Yes, there are three definitions of the market, namely economy, Islamic perspective, and expert. Okay. Uh, Difference economy and Islamic perspective. Economy, the market in the economy stage is for buying and selling transaction in principle. Economy activities that occurs in the market are based on the freedom to compete, but for buyer and seller. Uh, Islamic perspective, the organs on the market in Islam cannot be separated from the functional of the market as a forum for buying and selling activities. The market is a place where seller and buyer meet and conduct transaction of good or service. Okay, market according to experts, this is to expert 1 William J. Sandstone and Ehrenberg. Uh, William J. Stanton argues that the definition of a market is a group of people who have a desire to be satisfied, money used for shopping, and have the willingness to spend that money. And Ehrenberg, a market is a place where buyer and seller meet, good or service as product are exchange by buyer and seller. In the exchange, there is a price, the good or service exchange. Okay, next. Result point two, demand. Demand is an economic concept that deals with customer desire to buy goods and services and willingness to pay a certain price for them. Economists state the demand so the amount of good and service that customer will buy in a certain period of time and circumstance. The time period can be 1 year, and the circumstance that must be considered include the price of good to be forecast, price and excess of rival good, expansion of price chain, customer income, customer trends and preference, advertising costs and other. Okay. Law of demand. The law of demand states the higher the price of a good, the fewer customer will buy the good. Conversely, the lower the price of good, the more customer will buy the good. Ceteris paribus. Okay, the picture of the demand curve. And next, resolve point three and supply. Supply is defined as a static relationship that shows how much of a commodity is offered for sale at a particular price and time a various price level when other factors are unchanged. Tomek and Robinson. Law of supply. The law of supply stands that the higher the price of a good, the more the good is offered in the market. Conversely, the lower the price of the good, the less the good in offering in the market. Ceteris paribus. Her fixture, the supply curve. The supply curve show a positive relationship between the quantity of commodity to be sold and the price level of this commodity, and insert in the price of a commodity when other factor remain unchanged will encourage product in interest the quantity of the commodity offered. Okay, next result. The last, the relationship between the three. The relationship between demand and supply to the market in Indonesia. When the household side, the demand for new financing uh, indicate indicates in July 2022, the majority of household cost commercial bank is the main source of additional uh, financing, with the type of financing applied for mostly in the form of multi-use loans. Okay, next discussion. This is 3 point. One, interpretation result. In interpretation the result of study, of study, there are some significant findings. For example, the findings reveal that supply and demand are not always in balance. Hence, the role of the government to regulate the market balance. Okay, yang point two, theoretical and practical implication. An effective market flying can contribute significantly to customer convention. Okay. The theoretical and practical implication of the findings is that effect market can contribute significant to customer convenience. That findings provide empirical evidence of the importance of the planning process that arise by demand and supply so that market equilibrium can occur. Okay. Discussion three, future research direction, quality approach. Research might also involve a qualitative approach to gain a deeper understanding of demand and supply in the market through in-person interview. Okay, next. Conclusion. The last conclusion, the existence of market equilibrium is very important so that price stability can be occurred and producer or business people do not suffer loss from things they cannot control. Okay. That's all for the presentation of scientific work on the equilibrium analysis of supply and demand system in Indonesia market. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.